In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain on Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new blog, launching an online store, or simply enhancing your online presence, it all starts with getting your domain set up correctly. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. If you're not already a member, take a moment to sign up. It's a simple process that will get you started on your hosting journey. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all your hosting needs in one place. On the dashboard, look for the Domains section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your website addresses. Click on it. Now, you'll see an option labeled Add Domain. Select this option. This will open a new page where you can begin the process of adding your new domain. In the blank space provided, enter the domain name you wish to add. Make sure you've already registered this domain name with a registrar. If you're yet to do so, you'll need to head over to a registrar and secure your desired domain before proceeding. After entering your domain name, you'll see a couple of options regarding how you want to link this domain to your hosting. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Once you've provided the domain name, you'll usually be prompted to update your DNS settings. This is vital, as it tells the internet where to find your website. If you're using Hostinger as your domain registrar, this step might already be configured for you. However, if your domain is registered elsewhere, you need to point the Nameservers to Hostinger. You can find the necessary nameserver information in your Hostinger account under DNS Details. Open a new tab in your browser and log into the platform where your domain is registered. Navigate to your domain settings or management area. Here, look for options that mention DNS or Nameservers. This part may vary slightly depending on your registrar, but essentially, you'll need to replace the current Nameservers with those provided by Hostinger. Don't forget to save the changes once you've updated this information. After setting the Nameservers, go back to your Hostinger account. Look for a button that says something like Verify or Check Connection. This function will confirm that everything is set up correctly. Keep in mind, DNS changes can take a little while to propagate, sometimes up to 48 hours, so be patient. But in many cases, it can be much quicker, so give it some time before checking back. Once the DNS settings have successfully propagated, you should receive a confirmation that your domain has been added and is active. Congratulations! You've now successfully added your domain to Hostinger. From here, you can start building your website, upload content, and customize it to fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your domain up and running.